All right, so we are back with the 2018 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi, and I am changing the PCV valve. So I looked around and I talked with the dealer. Dealer part was 50 some bucks. I found the factory Mopar part, 50 bucks. And I'm to a point where this truck has 96,000 miles on it. I'm not too worried about going OEM anymore. So I went to O'Reilly's and I've been kind of just putting this off and putting it off. And I said, hey, I'm looking for the PCV valve. Can you get me one? And they gave me this. And that is the part number there. And I said, great, this was I think 26 bucks. So when I pulled it out, looked at it, and I'm like, yep, that looks about right. And I don't know if you can get it, if you can see it on camera or not, but there is the Mopar or Chrysler symbol stamped on this one. I was like, wow, that's strange. And I looked at it a little closer and it says SMP, which is the standard, what is this, standard something, standard machine parts or something, standard motor products, I guess is what that stands for. And I'm like, well, that's weird that they put the Chrysler symbol on it. And I was kind of looking at the numbers, and then I went and pulled the old one out, and the old one is exactly identical, and the old one is made by SMP, which is crazy. I bought this truck new, so obviously this is the factory part. Now, why is the dealer and the Mopar part 50 bucks if this part is 26 and that's from the manufacturer? That just kind of irritates me, but whatever, I guess. So we're gonna get it changed. This truck's got 96,000 miles on it, and I'll see if I can get some better lighting. The PCV valve goes right there, so you got to have your cover off, and I've had it off for a while since I did the spark plugs, knowing that I got to get back there, but I figure today should be the day, so let's get this wrapped up. All right, so we're gonna put this in. And on this, it says lock, and there's also an arrow. So you kind of sneak the thing in, push it down, and then this tab here, you're going to need to bring back over here. And I know the first time I did this, I think I used a pliers to get the thing out. We may need pliers to get the thing in because it was pretty tight. Probably would help too to maybe put a little oil on that O-ring. Yeah, it's definitely getting in there. She's squeaking. There. So there you go. So that tab just comes up there, up to here, and then it's in there, and that's basically all it is. Take it out, it's just going to be the reverse. You're going to move the tab over till it comes up, and this kind of helps pull it up. Just the way that's designed there kind of inclines as it's coming up. So wouldn't be a bad idea to probably just put a little bit of oil on the O-ring so that seals up and it goes in a little bit easier. Alright, so there it is, completed. Not much to it, pretty simple, and if you get it aftermarket or quote-unquote aftermarket, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg either. Or maybe you're getting an actual factory part, who knows? I don't know what's going on with these parts lately. So, like I said, I was the original owner, so that's the original part that came with the vehicle here, with the truck. So, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe they use an aftermarket as their original OEM stuff. But that's going to be it for now.